today we're gonna make some banana pancake, and I really like the pancake. I tried it before. So let's get going. So first we'll need a big bowl with a medium-sized bowl with a mixer like that one. And then we'll need 1 egg and 1 inch of banana like that much. And then we'll need some milk, flour, and you can even add some vanilla. And if you want to add some vanilla, you can. If you don't, you can. It's okay. So let's get going. So first, we are going to take the bowl right here for us and plop that into the bowl. Guys, you have to move the bits that you don't need, and then, but it's going to be hot, so you need to add some supervision. It's going to get a little messy. That's okay, because we are mashing the banana. Now guys, you have to crack the egg. Oh, I did a bit of a drop. Oh, yeah, I did it all by myself. So I did it all by myself, guys, and now we're gonna pour in the flour first. Be careful. Plop in all the flour. Oh. Then we'll need the milk very careful. Then pour it in. Let's add the vanilla. There. And then we're going to close the lid. And then we're going to mix it up. Mixing around. Mixing around. So guys, I'm mixing it a little bit, and you'll need some added supervision because we're going to cook it in the stove right there. Now guys, we are going to pour the batter inside the pan. So you need an added supervision. Put the butter to the stove. This go. So bubbling around. Be careful guys, it can be very hot. So we are going to now pour in the batter. You need a help from a mommy or a daddy. We are making a few pancakes, so we're going to do some hand dancing. Hand dancing. Hand dancing. You can see my hand dancing. We are waiting for the spoon dancing. Help to cook for the new result. Pancakes are 4 new ways to bake your banana. I'm rocking to the chef. It's time to flip, guys. First, we are going to put it. Good. have enough space, but that's okay. The butter. Next, hula. Done. Do some pan dancing. Just need to wait for a few more minutes to put them on. It's ready now, guys. I'm gonna move them to the plate now. One. Two. And then 3. And 4. 4 lovely new pancakes. It's ready now, guys. I'm gonna try it. So you can put anything on your pancakes, like strawberries or Nutella or some grapes or something delicious. Raspberries or anything you like. I want to thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye bye.